Hi everyone, my name is Nia Woolery and I'm going to be explaining the role of hormones and peptides in hunger regulation. Okay, I'm going to start with just a couple definitions to understand. Hunger is the physiological drive to eat. Appetite is the psychological desire to eat. Satiation is the termination of eating after hunger has been satisfied, which is then followed by a relatively longer period of feeling full and satisfied, known as satiety. Hormones are organic substances secreted by plants and animals that function in the regulation of physiological activities and in maintaining homeostasis. Peptides are proteins made up of two or more amino acids. Now that we know these definitions, we understand that hormones evoke responses from specific organs or tissues that are adapted to react to them. A very important hormone regarding hunger regulation is leptin. Leptin is the most abundant hormone produced by adipose cells and works to regulate glucose homeostasis and insulin sensitivity. The most important function of leptin is the regulation of energy expenditure and food intake due to its actions on the arcuate nucleus of the hypothalamus. Peptides are also important in regards to hunger regulation and are secreted in the hypothalamus. A couple peptides responsible for turning feeding on are neuropeptide Y, melanin concentrating hormone, norepinephrine, ghrelin, dynorphin, and insulin. Insulin allows the cells in the muscles, fat, and liver to absorb glucose that is in the blood. Insulin also affects other metabolic processes, such as the breakdown of fat and protein. There is an interesting relationship between leptin and insulin, as they both act to regulate food intake and adiposity in humans. Leptin inhibits insulin, and insulin stimulates leptin synthesis and secretion. And this is a list of my references. Thank you so much for your attention, and this is the end of my presentation.